Viewers, making video for my YouTube channel SNT Studios. In this video I am going to show you a piece of image, how I can cut them into separate pieces and manipulate them with different layers. So I am going to fire up Gimp image manipulation program by right clicking my image. So my version is 2.8 GIMP, and the image size, as I can see, is 4096 by 2048. What I'm going to do is just going to rectangle select. So first I have selected the area I want to I am just going to copy this first, edit copy, and I am keeping these two separate layers. So I am going to paste as new layer. So pasted it, so I am going to paste it as new image, new layer. So clipboard 1 and yes, yes. Okay, now I am going to main image. So I am again going to copy this, and I am just going to paste as layer to this copied item. So I am going to paste as and new layer. So yes, this has done. Now I can hold it and move it to other, since since the layer is selected already. So now if I click on this image, so automatically I can move this as this is selected, and if I move this layer I can move. So this is three new layer I have created. Now I am going to switch this off, and I want to separately clicking on this layer first. So right click, crop to selection, yes, crop just this area. No, first I am going to select the image. So this is the layer, and I am going to choose this rectangle select and going to select this yellowish area and right clicking and image layer, crop to selection. So now I can organize these three image but keeping the canvas size same as it was before. I'm just going to image and guides, then clicking on new guides from selection. So before that I have to select the entire canvas area because I want this size, but I want to keep these three image inside the entire canvas area. So I am just choose the entire canvas area and going to right click and going to image, and there is a guide option, and under this new guides from selection. So I am getting this. Okay, what I am going to do is I am just choosing my move tool and grabbing this photo. So this is the layer. I am going to snap this to the corner of the canvas. So next what I am going to do is just roughly taking a vertical guideline and taking this layer, I mean to say the first layer, and taking this image and putting this to here. And now I am going to select the third layer and going to place this image, but this is not accurately, I cannot place, so I need another guideline. Roughly I am placing, but this can be adjusted by symbol on my numeric pad, so that according to mouse cursor this is zooming. So now I can place this over here. Yes, now I can place this over here, and the thing I am zooming out so that I can see the entire canvas. So this way I can organize by cutting different images from one image and can place those in order where I need it. So that is the thing. And the other thing is, if I draw something for this canvas, so I am taking a white layer, so this is in between, I am putting this down, so this is the layer, and the canvas size, as I told you before, 4096 by 2048. So if I draw something over here, like I am choosing this, this, pepper, green pepper actually. So if I draw by, I am going to increase my brush size roughly. So if I draw another picture and if I just right click on this and going to layer and then going to auto crop layer. So now if I go to the layer, I can see and if I try to move this layer, so this is a auto cropped layer. So in this way I can additionally add images. So I am taking a vertical line roughly and putting this image so that it just snapped on the guide. So if I again want to create a layer, so this time I'm going to take a foreground layer, this layer. So now I have to keep this to lower so that I can see the entire images which I have created first. So now on this layer I am again going to take another like this and by going to brushes I can see the name of the brush. So this is tulip print. So I am going to choose a green color to avoid black on black canvas, black image on black canvas. So what I am doing, I am painting this over here and I am just changing the angle well. So this way I can change the angle of any clipped image. Well, yes. Now if I go to the layer and I am drawing on this last layer on this black canvas, I am drawing. So now if I right click while the layer is selected, auto cropping this layer. So now this is a very useful way of doing things in Gimp image manipulation program. So this is a must understanding thing. So that's why I'm making this tutorial, and that's all about this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching.